In this video, I will show you how to go from this to this. If you're new to this channel, my name is Szymon and I'm a full-time stop-motion animator. And today I want to show you how I set up my working station in this very tiny home studio. It's very important for me to have a workstation that is always ready to go, that has a lot of connection points for different accessories, cameras, lights, etc. And today I will show you how I set up all of that. So the first thing that we need is the core frame. So for this I'm gonna use this small rig mounting kit. Here you can see I will put the names of each product in captions here as well as in the description, so you can find these products. As far as I remember, this comes as a pair, so when you bought it you get two of these, and this will be our foundation for the core frame. So let's just attach it here to the desk. So these are those two things. Now we need this holder. This will be the top of the frame. It's usually the holder for backgrounds when you set up your photography studio. We will use it over here. So let's attach it to this. The cool thing about this is that we can adjust the height. So let's say we will just put it just like that. So this is our core frame, and now we can attach the other accessories, which is, I think we will go with the boom arm, and we will use this one over here just so that we can attach the main light. So let's go over here. My main light for this setup is, it's actually the Octa softbox, and inside, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there is a, it uses photo light bulbs. So I have a few of them, depending on the only downside of this type of light is the fact that I cannot adjust by default the intensity of light, but usually if I need a stronger light I will use this light bulb, or I can just use the like the smaller one. I have one bulb that comes with the remote control, and I can control the temperature. These are usually 5500 kelvins color temperature, so they are okay. We will go with the smaller one maybe for now. So we need to just attach it over here, and this main light will be ready. So this is the first light. The second light that we will use is this is small rig RC60C. So this is RGB light, it's 60 watts, and I will attach this one over here. For that I have this super clamp with the extension that allows me to control how far I want to put this light, and we will attach it to the frame right now. Okay, maybe let's make sure that I can see the control panel here. When it comes to softbox, I use two types of softboxes. Recently I started using this smaller one. This is the D30 mini softbox that is dedicated for those for this model. For the backlight, I will use my good old, this is the Yongnuo YN300 LED light with some homemade diffuser over here. And this one I just attached it to this super clamp with the arm holder, and this one will go over here. So we will attach this light, let's say here, and then I can just adjust the position to whatever needed. So now we will attach a few more accessories here. Firstly, we will go with the camera that is used to record time lapses. So here's my old Lumix G7 camera that I use for time lapses. It also, again, it goes with the super clamp, this expander over here, and usually I put it over here. So let's attach it to the frame. Let's say over here. The next one, this is something that I use from time to time, but it's very useful. This is the Manfrotto super clamp with the ball head attached to it. And what we can do with this is we can attach it to the frame. Let me show you what's the point of that. And now when I have this over here, I can attach something like the focusing rail. This is focusing rail that I use for the smooth camera movements. And in this case, what we can do with this is we can attach it over here. We can attach, you know, something like this. This is my rig arm, and it's attached to this Arca Swiss plate. And now when I have this here, I can use it to, you know, animate some smooth, you know, levitation, or, you know, whenever something is going up and down, let's say we can just move the ball head like that, and then we can you know, set it up differently. Right now the lighting setup is ready. Of course I need to do cable management, so this will be on a final step. And regarding cable management, I also need a power supply that will be attached here to the desk, and the power supply that will just remain here on the desk. For the power supply, I'm gonna use this on-desk power supply with extra USB-C ports. A lot of accessories here are powered with the USB-C, so let's put it somewhere. For now, I will just attach it here to the desk, and then thanks to this, I will just have one cable that I have to be worried about, and with some proper cable management and hiding most of these cables behind the desk, it will be pretty clean here, you know, under my legs, so it will be okay. My last addition to this workstation is this laptop, you know, holder. It can hold laptop. It has also the extension to hold the external monitor if needed. But in my case, it is used to hold my laptop. So we can attach it here to the desk, and then I can just here adjust the position. Perfect. And now here I can just put my laptop. Okay, so now with my laptop over here, I can just connect the camera. Laptop is over here. It doesn't take almost like any space. Plus, I also have yet another mounting point if needed. So this is what we have. So now the final thing that I will do is just some cable management over here, and yeah, we will just turn on the lights. I will put the camera in front and you will see what the final form of this whole setup looks like. So let's go with the cable management. Okay, so everything is now set up and we can give it a try. Okay, so we will start with the key light. We will start with, then we go with the backlight, and now we can also turn off this light over here. Now I need to go down with the ISO. So here's what does it look like. I need to lower ISO here as well. So here's what this always ready to go working station look like. With the camera ready for time lapses, with all the lights ready, we can adjust them, we can you know, attach additional accessories when needed, either here or here. So yeah, and it, you know, the biggest benefit of it is that I will just move the desk and everything else moves with the desk as well. And the laptop is over here. The only extra thing that I will need is the tripod and a camera on tripod, but that's, you know, kind of, you know, something that is pretty obvious. I hope you find this video interesting and you found something useful for your own stop motion animation workstation. In the description you will find links to all products mentioned in this video, and in the meantime I wish you have a great day and I will see you in the next one.